Hi, Ashley. This is Samantha from Feed Me Leads. I reached out to you yesterday and I told you that I was going to be sending you out the screencast, and so here it is. I'm going to keep it really short and sweet. I just want to go through your site really quickly. I want to go through one of your competitors' sites really quickly. And then I'm actually going to give you 3 ways that you can use today for free to start bringing in more traffic to your site. And so I send these screencasts out, and often when business owners see what I do, how I do it, and how much work is put into it, that they want to team up. So if you watch this through and feel the same, please do not hesitate to reach out. And so without further ado, let's get into it. So here we are on your home page. And so it looks pretty good, but as we can see right away, there's not a lot of content on here. And so Google's going to be ranking you based off of around 200 different factors. And one of those key factors is going to be content. And so you want to have around 1,000 to 1,500 keywords just on this home page minimum. And right now you guys have 203 words. So we definitely want to add some more content on here, and we want to make sure that it's quality educational content. Google is going to come through and they are going to read your content, and they are going to deem whether or not it will help their users find the information and the services that they're looking for really easily. And in addition to that, we also want to have an appropriate amount of the best relevant high volume keywords on there so we can get as many potential customers on this site as we can. So over here, I am on Google. The keyword I'll be using for today's video is mold remediation, Raleigh, NC. And so this is a really good keyword. It brings in around 250 searches per month. So even if you were to convert just a few of those into customers, you would be doing very well for just one keyword. So below that, up here, we typically will see Google ads. There are not any popping up right now, but Google ads are actually a really good way to get your name out there, get some good brand recognition, as long as you are doing it correctly. If not, you can actually waste a lot of money, but if you know what you're doing, you can get customers through the door really quickly. And so right underneath where the ads would usually be, now up at the top, we have our Google Map Pack. And so the Google Map Pack is a good place to be. And in order to do that, you have to make one of these top 3 spots. And how you do that is by getting a lot of good citations. And so citations are just when you have your business listed on different online directories. So think Yellow Pages, think Yelp, think Yext. You want to be on a lot of those highly trusted, highly used directories all over the web, and you want to be on significantly more of them than these 3 businesses are right here. And so beneath that, we have our organic search results. And so these are by far the most important. Google has come out and said that over 70% of people, when they type something in, they actually are going to click on one of these right here. And so now we can click on the number 1 business page that comes up when we type in this keyword. And so right away, we can see that they are making good use of good high volume keywords. But they also don't have very much content. So they actually only have around 850 words. And so they would be very easy to beat content-wise. However, the main way you're going to get up here is through backlinks. And so a backlink is basically just like a shout out from another website. The internet is made up of websites linking websites, businesses linking businesses. And so you want to get these shout outs or backlinks from high powered, highly trusted, relevant, hopefully local business websites. So think a local plumbing company or construction company. If they were to give you a backlink from their website, that would give your website a lot of power. So over here, I just hopped over to Ahrefs.com. This is a really good tool. It does cost a little bit. It costs around $400 a month to use, but it gives a lot of good information. So right here, I typed in the competitor we were just looking at before, and it tells me how many backlinks they have, a little over 1,000 from 125 different domains, and they're ranking for almost 1,000 keywords. So here we can actually click and see which keywords those are. Right here, it'll tell you the keyword. It'll tell you how many people search for that keyword per month. We could see how much traffic they get from it and what position they hold for it on Google. And so we can actually go through here and pick which keywords go with your site would be relevant for you guys that bring in the most traffic, the most volume. And we can decide which ones we want to add into your content on your website. And so the same way that I just looked up the keywords, I can actually look up the backlinks as well. And so here I can go through and see which ones have a high DR, domain rating. It goes from 1 to 100. We want the ones closer to 100, and we want to beat their backlinks by, a good amount. So they have 921, which is very doable to beat. But also keep in mind this is just one competitor for one keyword for one of the services you provide and in one of the areas that you provide those services. So we want to completely blow out all of the competition all out of the water for all the keywords, all the services, and all the service areas. So really quickly, we'll just go through your site just a little bit. Right here, you guys have 71 backlinks from 24 different domains and are actually ranking for 396 keywords. So we can actually take a look at that. And so right away you can see that a lot of these keywords actually have your business name in them. So if someone is not already looking for your business, it'll be harder for them to find you. And so to kind of recap what we talked about today, number 1 is quality educational content with the right keywords. Number 2, we want to have more citations to get you on the map pack. And then number 3, we want good, relevant, high-powered backlinks. And so that is what I have for you for today. Hopefully you got some good information out of this and enjoyed it. If you're interested in getting to know more or possibly teaming up, please reach out to me. You can email me back or you can give me a call. My number is 714-975-5909. So thank you for watching.